Hey there guys, on the road again. We've just come to the Ovokko Lodge near the Addo Elephant Sanctuary in Port Elizabeth. Outside of Port Elizabeth there's a beautiful tree. There's signs of a castle over there. There's a little fairy garden over here. Beautiful little fairies. There's a toad right there. And we're coming in here. We all appreciate stuff like this. Here's a couple of tables and chairs where there's fairies hanging out, doing their thing. There's a toadstool over there. And I want to take you down this little walkway. And the walkway is really impressive because the trees are divine. Wonderfully big. This is what it all looks like. There's the roof of the forest. And the gardens extend quite a far away. It's in the midst of a citrus farm, so this is citrus country, and you're not allowed to drive fast apparently because dust affects citrus trees, unless they just want us to drive slowly, which we did, of course. So I'll fill you in. We're going to get to the cabin and we go down here and show you a bit more. There's a big storm brewing, which I think is probably much needed. Here's the castle. Looks like a castle. There's all the citrus farms, all the there we go, beautiful, eh? Gotta love it. And there, guys, is the Sundays River. There's the Sundays River down there, flowing beautifully. As far as the eye can see. Gotta appreciate these moments. Sun is slowly setting. Storm's rumbling in, stirring itself up. Thunder coming, as you can hear. So let me go and check where the cabin is.